Okay, so we're down in the basement. This is the plumbing work they did yesterday. You can see this goes to the washer. That line coming in right there. They put a pump right there. Wash out. They cut the pipe right there. You can see where they cut it. Right there, they cut that pipe, and now it's going here. The main drain's coming down, and you see it goes out the side of the wall right there. That's what they did with the downstairs plumbing. They tied everything in. There you go. Okay. So we're going to take some more video outside, how they put everything together outside. Okay, that's it for this one. And this is where it comes out, outside the house. That's the hole. And here's an access pipe right there. You can see everything's boarded up, but they did the whole yard. They dug a trench all the way across there. There's another clean out over there. So there's a couple clean outs it looks like they installed. There it is. And then they tie it into the main drain. Let's go over here really quick. Tied in to the main drain over here. That's it. That's what they done yesterday. And then inside the house really quick. Let me pause this. This is the hole that was put in the floor in the fishing room. And I know it's hard to see, but I'm hoping they got me some pictures. But down there is where the sinkhole is. This is under the floor, but the sinkhole's down there, and I know it's really hard to see because there's no light. I'll try to get some light to it really quick. Hold on. Let's see if I can't turn my camera light on really quick. I'm gonna pause it. Well, I'm not able to turn on my flashlight on my phone while I'm recording, but I'll try to get some pictures from them of the sinkhole that's down under the floor. You'll see there's two floors here. There's one here that we had to cut through, and the main one here. So this floor and this floor, there's two floors. We had to cut through so they could access that. So I got to put boards back on that. Anyhow, that's it for the plumbing part.